Welcome back. Continuing the news. Normalcy is slowly returning to parts of the iconic Negril beach in Westmoreland after it was hard hit by bad weather last week. The state is also again promising a response to some of the damaged infrastructure in Negril.
It's been a mixed few days for tourism interests since Negril's 7 Mile Beach was hit by intense weather. Some hoteliers have brought in heavy equipment to try and return the beach to its previous state, while those least affected have been able to resume operations and have welcomed dozens of guests.
Most times we try to be back up and running within days, and especially if you're a hotel that have guests in-house. Most times the guests understand natural disasters are something that you have no control over. So they understand and they're here. Remember, they still need to eat, they still need to have a good time. So we have to get back to normalcy as soon as possible.
But these images show seaweed and other debris piled along other areas of the beach. We were told the situation is creating a nuisance and health issues for beachgoers. But that's just one of the ongoing issues from the weather system. The retaining wall along the West End Main Road is still in need of repair. About 25 meters of the wall has totally collapsed.
The roads almost come into my store. The water coming over on the fence of the close wall that is close to the store, when the waves like last couple of days was coming in, I had to run from outside because the waves came over and wet me up.
Prime Minister Andrew Holness visited the area on Saturday and promised the area will get attention. But he reiterated the damage is another warning sign.
At my conference, I raised the issue of climate change. It's not a sexy topic for Jamaicans. They were wondering, what is the Prime Minister talking about climate change at conference? Well, we're seeing the impact of climate change now. It's changing the weather patterns. It's changing sea levels.
Businesses in the vicinity welcomed the promised assistance.
The problem is, things move too slow and they end up costing a lot more money than if they tackled it early. Now they're probably going to spend 2-3 times as much as they would have spent if they had tackled it in the earlier days. This has been going on for about 2 years. The seawall was giving away.